The Cherokee Nation, by the way, which, by the way, there's an ongoing subtext in both Canada and the United States about who's Native and who decides. And there's a lot of politics of exclusion, and a lot of it is fear of scarcity and discomfort with the pace of change. Cherokee Nation will enroll anybody who directly descends from an original tribal member, so they have 466,000 tribal members, one tribe. But funding models and the scale of that population mean that they have an annual budget of $1 billion with a B dollars. That enables them to sequester $17 million a year for their language program alone. And you might have heard about master-apprentice models, and they actually have a very successful one where they pick a cohort of 12 language learners and 12 fluent first speakers, where they all agree to spend 40 hours a week together. And all participants are paid a living wage with full medical benefits, insurance, and so forth, 401k. But they got to spend 40 hours a week together and not just making it up. It's a rigorous program. If you know about the academic side of linguistics, there's a way, like with the American Council on Teaching of Foreign Languages, for coding language learning. Novice low, novice mid, novice high, intermediate low, mid, high, advanced low, mid, high. And by the time you get to like advanced low, that's a pretty high level of fluency, literacy with presentational language, conversational language, interpretive language, and so forth. So there's a matrix for evaluating that. So getting someone to like advanced low, that's an exceptional level of fluency. They make a 2-year commitment and guarantee that all incoming participants will reach advanced low at the conclusion of their 2-year commitment. And they start a new cohort every 6 months. They've been going for a while now. So every 6 months, there are a dozen new fluent speakers of the language in their community. It's a significant investment of time, effort, and money. But what would it be worth to you to have a dozen new fluent speakers of the language in your community every 6 months? I bet it would be worth 1/10 of your treaty settlement. And you should really think about that. What are your priorities?